everybody, and welcome to my video today. I am so excited to share these projects with you. I originally started out designing the September Make and Take packets with this Blackberry Beauty Designer paper, which is so gorgeous. I really love it and I really wanted to use it, but I struggled a little bit designing. It's like I wanted to use it so much, and then I got it all out and I got stuck. But then I found my groove and I created these 3 projects. And today I want to share with you the projects for the September Blessed2Craft Make and Take. This is a club that I have each month, and when you sign up, you get to make these 3 projects. So we make 3 projects and then you get a handful of product to try out, because I know what it's like to see something in the catalog and feel like, I like it, maybe I want to use it, maybe I'm not sure how to use it. And so my goal is to give you a handful of products that you can use and try out to see if you like, and then if you like it, you can order more of it. So this month we're using the Blackberry Beauty Designer paper, which is gorgeous. When you get this paper in hand, you are going to want more of it, I promise. So we're using that. You will get a 1/4 pack of the designer paper. It comes in 6x6. And then I am pairing with that this gorgeous gold and rose gold specialty paper. I feel like this paper is getting overlooked. It's in the annual catalog. It's really gorgeous. It almost looks like it has this fun texture on it, but it doesn't. It's smooth, but it's really gorgeous. And there's this rose gold, which is unique. I haven't really worked with rose gold very much, but it pairs beautifully with this paper. So you will get 2 sheets of the rose gold and 2 sheets of the gold. You will also get a brand new Wink Stella pen, and then you will get half a sheet of the gilded gold embellishments. And then as a specialty item, you are also going to get some of these gorgeous sequins. These are some of my favorite sequins. They're almost like an early espresso copper color, and they go so beautifully with the projects we're making. So this month we are making 3 cards with the Nuts About Squirrel stamp set, which you can add on. A perk of being a part of the Make and Take Club is that when you order any product to be included in your package that you're getting from me, you don't pay shipping or tax. So if you want to get the stamp set, it's only $17 this month. So you can totally get the add-on and not pay shipping or tax on it, because I'm already shipping you stuff. And you've already paid for that with your packet. So we have this card here, and I just love this. It's so cute. Then this one, which is, I wouldn't say it's my favorite. I was gonna say it's my favorite, but I think the next card is my favorite. But I really love this. I love these little guys. They're so cute. And then this card as well. When you sign up and you are with us for 6 months, you get a 6-month gift, which is $15 in product. And so that is really fun. I send you a little 6-month gift when you've been with us for 6 months. When you join, if you're brand new and you sign up, you get this little envelope. It has your 6-month tracker in it, and then it also has a brand new set of dimensionals. That's my gift to you for signing up. The club is $35 a month. That includes shipping. You get an exclusive PDF, so it has all of the measurements on here, and then we have a bonus project. So something that is changing this month with Blessed2Craft is you will get an exclusive video for your project. So these 3 projects here, I will be sending you an exclusive pre-recorded video with the PDF, and you'll be able to make these. So right when your package shows up, you will be able to dive in and create your cards, which is so fantastic. It is super fun to be able to do that and just open all of that up and get right to it. And then the live portion on my Facebook page will be the bonus project. So I will be making something with these items, and that is our bonus project for the Make and Takes. If you don't want to join the club and you're like, I love these cards, but I don't really want a monthly commitment, there is, in the description below, there is a link where you can just get this as a class. So if you get this as a class option, you will get all of these items. So all of the items that I'm offering, plus you will get the Nuts About Squirrels stamp set. So the price for that and the link is down below if you just want to get it as a mini class. If you're just like, I love the cards, I want to make them with you guys, but I don't want to sign up for the Blessed2Craft Make and Take Monthly. So I hope that you guys will join me. I am so excited for these cards and this product. I could not stop playing with this stuff when I was creating these. I had so much fun. So I hope that you will join me. There's a link down below for Blessed2Craft Monthly, which is $35 a month. And then the link below that is for the class, and it will include all of these items plus the stamp set. So you will get that. So I hope that you guys will join me. I can't wait to craft with you, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys next week with all new projects for you guys. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. Here on the screen, you're going to see 2 other videos that you can check out. I would love for you to do all the YouTube-y things, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video, and I will catch you in my very next crafty video.